Hello guys, so welcome back to another video. Previously we have learned two rules of indices. So now the third rule of indices is a to the power m whole power n is equals to a to the power m into n. So whenever we have like this, a to the power n whole to the power n, this will become equals to, the power will get multiplied with the inner power, so this will become m into n. So this is the third rule of indices. Again, so like when we have anything inside a bracket and it has a power m, so and the and whole bracket also has a power n, so the power will get multiplied with the inner power. Got it? Which is like a to the power m whole to the power n. This will become a to the power m into n. So both the powers are being multiplied. Now we will do some examples for better understanding. So our first example is, as you can see, is 3x square, cube whole to the power square. So this will become, so the power, as this power is on this full bracket, so this will become, so this power will also apply on 3, and also when we will apply power on x cube, this power will multiply with the x cube power, like this. We can move the bracket. So 3 square is, so 3 square is 9, and x 3 into 2 is 6. So this is our final answer. Now you can see another example. So we can write here 5x cube whole to the power square. So now we can see that the whole bracket has a power of 2. So this power of 2 will also be applied on 5 and x cube. So this will become 5 square into x. So as we have learned above, the third rule, this one, the power will be multiplied with the inner power. So the inner power is cube and the outer power is square. So 3, this will become 3 into 2. So 5 square is 25, and x 3 2s are 6. So this is our final answer. So now let's check out another example, which says 3a to the power 4 whole to the power square. So this will become 3 square into a to the power 4 into 2. The outer power is multiplied by inner power. So now 3 square is 9, and a 4 into 2 is 8. So this is our final answer. So now let's check out another example. That is 2x square to the whole power cube. So now this will become 2 to the power cube into x x to the power square into 3. The powers are multiplied. these. So 2 cube is 8 into x, 2 into 3 is 6. So this is our final answer. So this was our last example of the day. I hope you have got a great understanding of rule number 3 of indices. So that's it for this video. I will meet you in the next video. Goodbye.